Welcome back to my class. We are asked to solve this, that if f of x is equal to 2 minus 3x, we are now required to find f of x plus 3 minus f of x all over 3. First of all, solution, they gave me that f of x is equal to what? 2 minus 3x. Then f of x plus 3 is simply anywhere we see x, replace it with x plus 3. So this is equal to 2 minus 3 into x plus 3. So if I open the bracket, I'm going to have 2 minus 3x minus 9. So which will give you minus 3x minus, the two of them is giving me minus 7. Okay? So now, we are asked to find f of x plus 3 minus f of x all over 3. So this is equal to this one first, minus 3x minus 7 minus f of x, which is what? 2 minus 3x, then everything divided by 3. So I'm having what? Minus 3x minus 7. This and this is giving me minus 2. This and this is giving me plus 3x. Then everything divided by 3. So I'm having that minus 3 and plus 3 is out. So minus 7 minus 2 will give you minus 9. Minus 9 divided by 3 will give you just minus 3. As simple as that. So do this one for me. Find f of x minus 3, then minus f of x divided by that same 3. So find this one for me. Tell me the answer in the comment section. May the peace of the Lord be with you. Don't forget to like and share to your friends. Bye-bye.